Introduction to Verizon Business Line of Credit. In this educational guide, we will explore the process of securing a Verizon Business Line of Credit using an EIN, Employer Identification Number, without requiring a personal guarantee. Follow this structured approach to establish credibility and improve your chances of approval. Step 1. Obtain an EIN. An EIN is essential for businesses as it serves as a unique identifier, much like a social security number for individuals. It is crucial for tax purposes, opening business accounts, and applying for credit. Why it's important? It is required for all business-related financial and legal transactions. How to get it? Visit the IRS website to apply. After registering your business with your state, you'll receive an EIN, marking your business as an official entity. Step 2. Secure a professional business address. A professional address adds legitimacy to your business operations. Why it's important? It enhances credibility and separates personal details from business activities. Using a residential address may flag your application as high risk. How to obtain? Consider virtual office services, which provide a professional address at an affordable cost. Research online for services that meet your needs. Step 3. Get a business phone number. A dedicated business phone number is a key step in separating personal and professional communications. How to get it? Start with free options like Google Voice for temporary use. Once established, port this number to a permanent solution like Verizon. This process is straightforward and ensures continuity. Step 4. Set up a professional email. An official business email demonstrates professionalism and establishes trust with clients and vendors. How to create it? Platforms like Squarespace or Shopify provide integrated email services when you create a business website. Step 5. Apply for a DUNS number. A DUNS number helps establish a business credit profile. Why it's important? This unique identifier is necessary for building credit and accessing financial services. How to get it? Visit the Duns & Bradstreet website to apply. The process is free and straightforward. Step 6. Register with the Secretary of State. Registering your business with your state ensures it is a recognized legal entity. How to register? Visit your state's Secretary of State website to complete the process. Step 7. Register with the 411 directory. Having your business listed in directories improves visibility and credibility. How it helps? It allows lenders and service providers to verify your business easily. What to do? Register your business phone number with the 411 directory and other online directories. Step 8. Create a Google Business Profile. A Google Business Profile ensures your business appears in search results, boosting visibility. How to set it up? Use images of your business location or virtual office. For mobile businesses, include images of business vehicles or promotional materials. Step 9. Open a business bank account. A dedicated bank account is crucial for managing business finances. How to prepare? Gather required documents like your EIN, business license, and personal ID. Step 10. Build your business credit profile. Establishing a solid credit profile allows you to access loans and credit without affecting your personal score. How to build? Start with Net 30 accounts and monitor your progress using tools like Nav. Step 11. Apply for device financing. Once your business is structured and ready, apply for device financing through Verizon. What you'll need: business information, EIN, and established credit profiles on Duns & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax. Optional approach. If your credit isn't ready, use an SM option to build credibility over 6 months. Key considerations for approval. Device financing approval depends on the strength of your business profile. Tips: ensure all information matches your official documents, and avoid multiple applications to reduce risk of denial. Conclusion: by following these steps, you can establish a structured business and improve your chances of securing a Verizon business line of credit. Always ensure your information is accurate and your business is properly set up. Subscribe for more information.